Hi. Well, it's been over 17 years I've been in this YouTube game, and I became the first full-time engineering YouTuber, pioneered this, whatever it is we do, about the same date. It was about April 4th, 2011. So 2 years later, became full-time at this gig, and you've seen my 100,000 subscriber YouTube play button with my Nixie Tube display. I've done a whole design series on the Nixie Tube display. Yeah, it's not operational at the moment because, I don't know, the API broke or something like that. Need to fix that. And I've got my EEVblog 2 channel. I got the award for that. But, of course, I put in bring back the dislike count, but that is actually the YouTube Silver Award. So 17 years later, I'm still here, still doing the same thing, and it arrived, the YouTube Gold play button. Looks like the same size as the silver one. I thought it would be bigger. That's what everyone says when they meet me in real life, by the way. I thought you'd be bigger, Dave. No, I'm just average height. And I guess this is an average gold play button. I think they used to be really big, right? The gold play button. But anyway, it arrived. Woohoo! Start the party. Yeah, bit anticlimactic, I've got to say, after 17 years. Because my growth has just been pretty much linear the whole way. So it was like, I haven't gone viral, haven't jumped up and instantly got an extra couple of 100,000 subs or something. No, it's just grinding away, you know, a couple of thousand subscribers a month or something like that is what I get at the moment. But thank you, every single person who has subscribed and watched one of my videos. And a lot of people have, you know, dropped off over the years as you lose interest and you grow in your career. A lot of people say, oh, I used to watch you as a student, and absolutely fantastic. That's what I'm in this game for. I love it. So yeah, genuinely, thank you everyone for the YouTube Gold play button. So let's open it. Yes, just like the bring back the dislike count, I could have actually put any name on there I wanted. They actually let you put anything on there up to, you know, 100 characters or something. I did actually put EEVblog on. So let's get the big knife and let's open this thing. Yeah, 17 years. You get less for murder. Here we go. So let's, I don't even know who the CEO of YouTube is these days. Mohan or something? Am I getting it wrong? I don't know. Does anyone care anymore? Here it is. You will see it before I see it. Or maybe not, because it's going to have some black felt. Here we go. You're going to see it first. I'll hide it. Is it there? There's a note, right? There's a note. Oh, it's on thick card. Oh, how does it look? Is it upside down? No, it's not upside down. Oh, look at that. YouTube. Tongue at the right angle matters. Yeah. Recognize your team. Oh yeah, you can buy more. You can get them buy them extras for like $300 a pop or something like that. And you can buy like a little desktop one as well. They provide a link, but there it is. Presented to EEVblog for passing 1 million subscribers. YouTube, it's all capitalized properly and it's all reflective. Look at that. Isn't that a Bobby Dazzler? There you go. Compare it to the silver. They've standardized, haven't they? They're identical, right? Look at that. Gold and silver. Identical. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure I've seen some YouTube Gold Awards where they're like enormous things and they barely fit on the wall or whatever. People struggle to find places on the wall, but they've standardized on the little one now. But it's gold color, so yeah, I've actually got gold. I wonder if I can melt down some gold and actually have like a real gold play thing in there. Might have to talk to I know somebody who might be able to make that happen. Smells like 1 million subscribers. Yeah, there it is. Thank you, everyone. Oh, well, let's read the thing. You didn't have these when I started, but I only had these for like the Googles for the last 6 years, 7. Is it 6, 7 years now? But 17 years ago, didn't have the Googles, didn't have the grey hair either. You did it. 1 mission, 1 channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers. Congratulations. You may have started with just a few viewers, but your voice, passion, and creativity have now touched the lives of people around the world. That is actually the best part about this, by the way, is like people telling me, yeah, I watched you through university, got me inspired to get into electronics. Hear it all the time, and from other creators as well, saying, oh, Dave, I started watching your videos, decided to start my own channel. Absolutely fantastic. It's the most rewarding part of the business. And community that you've built is enriched by the stories that you shared as you bring people together. Shout out to the people on the EEVblog forum, of course. To honour this milestone, I'm proud to present you with a Gold Creator Award. Hope that this special recognition will remind you how much you mean to so many more. Every day you are redefining how content is created and watched, one voice and one video at a time. That's not AI. Can you get rid of the AI slop, please? It's a privilege to be, on the one hand, you want us, you're pushing all these AI tools on us, and on the other hand, you go, well, we don't want any AI slop, and it's kind of like, what the hell's going on? It's a privilege to be part of your journey. We can't wait to see what you do next. Neil Mohan. Yeah, I was right, Mohan. Somebody. Thank you very much, Neil Mohan, who I'm sure did not personally sign that. But anyway, there it is. Gold play button. Cool bananas. It's pretty schmick, isn't it? Yeah, might have to hang it on the wall. I don't know. It's got some hanger points. Yeah, no, I've run out of room on the shelves. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to start whacking them up on the wall. And I need to get this NixieTube subscriber counter, because it would have been cool to have it tick over. I actually planned for the 1,000,000th subscriber tick over. I planned to actually get this working again and watch it actually do a live stream, which I eventually did, but a live stream, and then watch it tick over to the 1,000,000 subscribers, and that would have been the official thing. But it just snuck up on me, actually, so I didn't get time to do that. But I did actually manage to do a live, an impromptu live show for 1,000,000th subscriber. But there it is. It eventually turned up. There seems to be like a hysteresis thing on here. You don't automatically get the email. As soon as you pass 1,000,000 subscribers, don't expect the email to automatically come into your inbox. It does actually take time to get it. I think I was at extra 1,500 subscribers over or something before I actually got the email that said, hey, you can now order this. So I must have a hysteresis there, just in case you get over and then plummet back down or something, I guess. So yeah. Cool bananas, huh? Gold play button, 17 years. It's a bit anticlimactic, I've got to say. 17 years is a long time. There's people that get a million. How many channels are there? I once did the numbers on it. There were over 100,000 channels that had 100,000 subscribers. And that was like 6 or 7 years ago when I looked at the numbers. I'd love to know how many channels actually have 1,000,000 subscribers now. So if I can find that info, I'll include it in the overlay here. But thank you, everyone who has subscribed. That's pretty awesome. Whether or not, well, yeah, you have to be subscribed to be in this count. You can't just watch my videos and not be subscribed. So 1,000,000 people are subscribed. I know a lot have dropped off over the years as interests change. I subscribe to channels and I religiously watch like every day, and then eventually, my interests change. It happens. But still going strong, still driving the billy cart. The wheels aren't even close to falling off the billy cart on the EEVblog yet, but you can bet your bottom dollar that I'll still be steering the billy cart when the wheels totally fall off this thing. So yeah, I ain't going nowhere. It's 1,000,000 subscribers. I won't get to the 10 million, pretty much guarantee you that. Kind of a big deal, if a little anticlimactic after 17 years. But anyway, I'm in it for the long game. So genuine thanks again to everyone who's subscribed and watched and contributed to the forum and donated, and Patreon supporters, people who just send me PayPal donations, and people who just send stuff into the mailbag and all sorts of things, and the manufacturers and the advertisers on the forum, everyone who has supported me and kept me in business to get to 1,000,000 subscribers. It's pretty cool. But like, subscribers actually don't matter. Like, ask any YouTube and they'll tell you that subscriber count really doesn't matter. It's about the engagement ratio, like the number of people who click on every new announcement, because who knows what the algorithm, whether or not it feeds it to you, seems to be pot luck, and whether or not people click seems to be pot luck. Although if you've got a clickbaity thumbnail or something, you might get some more clicks, but Yeah, it's a tough business because everyone's in it now. When I started this 17 years ago, back in 2009, I only remember there being Jerry Ellsworth and Mike from Mike's Electric Stuff who had channels, but they didn't have like a regular, I don't think they had a regular segment. Although I didn't discover their channels until after I had started mine, but I was the first one to start numbering, you know, number 1, number 2, and then, yeah, make a regular thing out of it and then go full time at this crazy business. God, I haven't worked full time for over 15 years. Can you believe it? I can't. Never going back to working for the man. But do I work for the man? Do I work for Neil Mohan? Or do I work for you guys? Do I work for myself? I don't know. It's YouTube. Yeah. So that's it. It's a gold play button. Cool bananas. Thoughts and comments down below. As always, you can check out the EEVblog forum down below and eevblog.store, which is what keeps me in business these days because the ad revenue is kind of declining. Ain't just me, it's everyone. It's a tough game. Don't recommend it, kiddies. No, it's better than working for the man. Catch you next time.